what's up you guys? So today the E92 is getting a charge pipe, vrsf charge pipe, and a blow-off valve, and the dual cone intakes. The charge pipe is used. I got it from my coworker. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below. He has a really nice 335, and so he gave it to me because he went with a different charge pipe and a different blow-off valve. And so that's what we're gonna do today. And also the intercooler. I also got a 7-inch intercooler that we're gonna try putting on today if there's time. Well, I say if there's time, but
today I got time, cuz.
Didn't I tell you it looks good? Look at a slow-mo of his car. Oh man, I like it. Alright you guys, so we took off the old intercooler and this is the new one. Well, not new, but the upgraded one. Yes sir. Alright, so the charge pipe and the blow-off valve are in, and the intercooler. And now we're just putting the dual cone intakes.
Hold on, do it again.
And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content.